hours before the day of counting ballots of ADC tomorrow, Ratanlal Nath's constituency goons attacked on Pradyut Kishore Debbarman at the SDM office, allegedly in the presence of local BJP MLA. BJP goons in Law Minister Ratanlal Nath's constituency Mohanpur has severely attacked Tripura Royal Scion Tipra Motha chief Pradyut Manika 1 day ahead of poll counting. When the election authority had ensured about law and order maintenance, BJP goons in Ratanlal Nath's constituency are using guns and short-cutting tools. Firing led the Tipra Motha leaders even unable to move out of the SDM office. Addressing a live from the Facebook page at the SDM office there, Pradyut Manika told the police that the BJP candidate there himself was present when he was entering and brutal attack took place upon him. Addressing the live, Pradyut Manika said that I am under severe attacks, but point to be mentioned here that neither I get afraid nor I will be afraid. I appeal for peace and I request my people not to react on that, but stay calm.
My approach is like that.
I'm appealing to everyone. I'm here in the SDM's office. मैं SDM के ऑफिस में हूँ और बाहर में गन शॉट्स सुनाई दे रहा है, बहुत अटैक हो रहा है। ना हम डरते हैं ना हम डरेंगे। मैं सबको बोलता हूँ, आप लोग रिएक्ट मत करो, शांति से रहो। हम लोग यहाँ में हैं। पुलिस ने अभी तक किसी को अरेस्ट भी नहीं किया है, लेकिन जैसे उन्होंने पूरा तोड़ा, अभी भी वो लोग ऑफिस के बाहर है और मैं यहाँ में डोर लॉक्ड है। लेकिन बेलाई नहान भाई, धन्यवाद, टेक केयर और आप लोग शांति रखो।
Police have not arrested a single person and we are sitting here behind the closed doors. Pradyut Manika was heard asking the police if there was any gunshot. Then the police official denied and said that stone pelting happened. Pradyut Manika further asked the police official how did this happen, while adding that the incident is pre-planned and the BJP candidate was right there when he was entering. Notably, even the police officials were also attacked and government officials were also injured, but police have still not arrested any one of them. Bureau Report, Halabol. In order to know the incident of attack on Tripura Royal Scion and Tipra Motha Chief Pradyut Kishore Debbarman, we have Tipra Motha General Secretary Ayush Debbarma with us. Amid a telephonic conversation, we would love to know the matter in details. Welcome to Halabol, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, according to a Facebook live of Pradyut Kishore Debbarman few hours back, we could know that an incident of attack took place. Could you please elaborate us regarding this?
No, I have spoken to Maharaja when he was stuck inside the office of SDM Mohanpur. He told me that one of our candidates, Mr. Ronald Debbarma, his counting agent's identity card were not issued by the authority there. So when it was reported to Maharaja, he himself escorted Ronald Debbarma so that the identity cards of the counting agents can be collected from there. So when they arrived in the premises of SDM Mohanpur, they found that 500-600 armed BJP, IPFP supporters were there, and they started chanting slogans and they started attacking them. And they have broken, I think they have thrown certain things looking at them, and finally they had to take shelter inside the office of SDM.
Okay, sir.
And the time I was talking to Maharaj, I think 2 gunshots also were fired at that time, but I don't know exactly what has happened thereafter. But Maharaj was still till that time he was in inside the SDM's office. So it is very unfortunate that how come that the counting is tomorrow and today itself BJP and IPFT supporters are in the premises of SDM Monpur. So and we have been requesting the state government, the election commission. We went to the governor yesterday and we have explained that the gravity of the situation, what we are anticipating on the day of counting. We demanded for free and fair counting. But if this happens, if this is the situation where state minister, heavyweight minister, Mr. Ratan Lal Nath, also from the constituency, if this happens, what is the motive? We still appeal to the state government. Law and order is their part, and they should take care of it.
So who do you think are the mastermind behind this incident, sir?
See, now I cannot pinpoint that certain person or particular person is responsible for this, because the way on the day of election, as you all also have seen, that here and there they try to read the polling stations. This shows that it is not a single person who is responsible for this. BJP and IPFT, they know that they are not going to win any seat. And they are already frustrated. But is this the way to outward their frustration? See, this is a democratic country and we are in a democratic state. People will vote every 5 years and they will choose their representative. Today I may be in power, tomorrow I may not be in the power. This is the system of democracy. People like, they can keep me for 10 years, 15 years. But forcibly, if anyone tries to be in power all the time, I think that does not look good in democracy.
As we listened to Pradyut Debbarman's live, we could hear that he was asking the goons, police, that if they were BJP MLA was present while he was entering the SDM office. So that is why I'm asking, are you thinking that the constituency of Ratan Lal Nath and BJP MLA was present there if the mastermind is really from the BJP party?
See, it is crystal clear. People forget about me telling all this. But it is crystal clear. People would know that where it is happening and who is in the charge of that particular place or particular division, subdivision or constituency. Suppose if I am an MLA or I am a minister of a particular area, and if anything happens in my area, people will pinpoint finger at me only. So that is obvious, but I don't want to name anyone. As Maharaja has already said, I think I will like to maintain the same line with him.
Right. So how are you taking this incident, as tomorrow itself is the day of counting of votes in the ADC?
I'm sure now our supporters will be more alert and they will come in large number. If anything, immediately IPFT they want to do like this tomorrow. I think a lot of preparedness and lot of what do you call them? Supporters will be facing, because our supporters will not keep quiet. We know that people have voted for us.
Right.
And we expect our supporters to come in the counting centers, and BJP and IPFT will find it difficult. If they try to do like this again tomorrow, then obviously some unwanted incident we can expect. But here comes the role of police administration. I have had a word with IG Law and Order, Mr. J.R. Rao, and I appeal to him that police should take appropriate measure to take care of the this kind of situation, and more forces to be deployed, so that we can avoid unwanted incidents.
Itself, sir, when the attack took place, as we were watching live on Pradyut Debarman sir's Facebook page, we could see that the police themselves did not arrest anyone yet in this regard. So how do you expect that the police will give proper teeth to measures tomorrow?
Still we have to tell. See, now if you are asking me, police is not doing anything more to us. But the system of governance is such that now I have to ask the police only. But we should not forget one thing, that the same police 5 years back or 10 years back, they were so active. And how come the same police forces, the same officers, not so many of them have retired till date? How come they have become quiet and silent? It depends on the political bosses, actually. The way they are running the government.
What you mean to say is the political forces, the ministers in power, or the government or the administration which is on power right now, they are running the police administration.
Absolutely. See, police cannot act on their own. In democratic system, the elected representatives will decide the policy of the government and how the police should function. It is not the police administration controlled by them. It is controlled by the elected representatives. And they have to work as per the government's policy. That is why I am telling you that the same police was so active 5 years back, and now the same police is sleeping. So who is responsible for this? The political bosses.
Right, sir. So my last and final question to you. Sir, as the results are tomorrow, what are you expecting?
No, I have been telling this, and Maharaja and all party leaders have been telling this. We really win all the seats, and BJP, ITFT, they know this very clearly. That they are not going to win the single seat. That is why this frustration.
Okay.
Yes?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here he was General Secretary of the Pramotha, our Animesh Debarma sir with us, as we could hear from him what actually happened there and how much hopeful or what expectations he has from the government.